No company in the region can compare to what goes on inside these walls. And that's what really drew me to the company. Our team is really one of the few people who had the guts to build a system as complex as a vertical takeoff and landing plane. And the Harara by itself is a feat, especially since nobody in the Middle East has built something even near this completely in-house, which is what we do here at AirQ, and that's why I'm here. Hello, my name is Rami Richani, and I'm a recent computer engineering graduate from NYU Abu. Embedded engineering here, or anything at AirQ, translates to some real tangible product, and it's such a refreshing change from such a high digital nature of software engineering. Really applying what I learned in college and seeing like what I built or what I write in code come to life, it's a different experience, right? I love this work environment, really. That's what I have to tell you. The team is very passionate, and I told you, like they're really working to get this done. And there's some really inspirational, especially our CTO. We're like, they have inspirational stories. I see these people as role models, really. I'm very lucky to even have, a minute or two to talk with these people. The boss came to me, CEO came to me, was like, okay, this guy, he's going on the mission. I'm like, me? Oh, yes. I really was celebrating internally. I was going crazy, right? And it was worth it. It was definitely worth it. And I had every right to, because it was an amazing flight mission. Seeing something like that, you don't get an experience like that frequently, right? I think the most memorable was this RC plane, retrofitting the RC plane. I remember converting it to a fully autonomous drone, right? That really helps you understand the internals on what goes into something like this, and the flight controller and all these modules that you really need to understand before, just writing software, which you can get lost in, really. Half a decade from now, I think AirQ they're going to build novel things. They're going to really push the boundaries of drone technology in the Middle East and even beyond. And I'm glad to even be a part of it in its early stages. Thank you for having me here. I really wanted to say that this is definitely a good place for engineers to start out and learn about what goes into building UAVs. And I advise anybody from NYUAD or other colleges to really come here and give it a chance and see what the company has to offer.